Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious eggnog bundt cake that I know you guys are going to love. As I call it, rompope. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious eggnog bundt cake, these are the ingredients. I have eggnog, color, and extract, plain non-stick baking cream that you guys already have on my channel, 4 room temperature eggs, 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of eggnog, and I am using rompope. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I have 1.5 cups of sugar. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing eggnog bundt cake. So let's get started. I want to start here first showing you my non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. Of course, look at this. It's really creamy. There's no need to make 2 steps when you could use 1 step. I am going to cover my baking dish just like that, being very careful that I get all those little ridges nice and covered. And when this is done, we are going to put aside our baking dish. Now I am ready to start with the unsalted butter that it's at room temperature. Of course, really creamy. I'm going to add my sugar. I am going to incorporate it really good, getting it nice and fluffy. Incorporate the sugar completely into it. Look at this. It's gonna get nice and creamy. And when you have this ready, then you are ready to add the wet ingredients. I'm going to continue by adding my 4 room temperature eggs. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure that it's really incorporated into the sugar and the butter. And of course, I'm adding my eggnog. You could use any kind of eggnog. I'm adding the eggnog extract, flavor, aroma, just amazing, nice and penetrated. And I'm going to cover it. And now I am ready to sift my all-purpose flour, my baking powder, my pinch of salt. When you sift it, your bundt cake is going to come out so fluffy and moist that I am sure you're going to love it. Who doesn't love eggnog? Or as I call it, rompope. When it's nice and smooth. Look at this. Now I am ready to add all this mixture into my bundt cake. Look how creamy it is. Now I am going to go ahead and add it, being very careful that I really add everything right all around. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes. It's gonna be golden brown. It's not gonna stick to the baking dish. And I'll see you when I get it out. Here I have powdered sugar. I'm adding half a teaspoon of the extract of eggnog, and I'm going to add gradually the eggnog mixture, 1 teaspoon at a time. And to tell you the truth, I use 7 teaspoons for this mixture. 2 cups of flour sugar, powdered sugar. Look at this. The aroma is amazing. Look the thickness,
Look this how smooth it is. And that's exactly how you want it. You want your powdered sugar to be smooth but thick. Look at this. This looks amazing. I am going to go ahead, put it aside, and I'm going to check on my bundt cake. By this time, the bundt cake should be golden brown and ready to go. Look how smooth. You see the texture of the powdered sugar. I got my bundt cake out of the oven. If the stick comes out clean, that means it's cooked through. I am going to flip it, and believe me, it's not going to stick at all to the baking dish. Let's reveal how this is gonna come out. Look how delicious and golden brown it looks. It's really hot, so I'm going to leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes until it comes to room temperature before I add the powdered sugar mixture. After the 15 minutes, look how thick this is and look how amazing it looks. I am sure you're going to love this eggnog bundt cake made at home with lots of love. I can't wait to enjoy. My home smells amazing. Who doesn't love eggnog or rompope? Well, here I am going to slice it, and I am going to show you how it looks from the inside. My mouth is watering. I am going to enjoy it with a very cold glass of milk. Really soft, really moist. Look at this. Nice and golden brown from the outside, but from the center it's really soft, fluffy, moist, and of course the flavor of the eggnog, amazing. Look how soft and moist this is. I gotta taste this little piece. But let me show you one more. Look at this. Look how moist and fluffy it is. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this delicious eggnog bundt cake. I know you guys are going to love it. It's nice and crispy from the outside, but from the inside is really moist, and the flavor of the eggnog, amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. What an amazing flavor. Really soft and moist. Friends, if you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing eggnog bundt cake. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.